Hello everyone, I'm Saitech and welcome back to my channel Saitech. In today's video, I'll try to do the Asphalt 9 gameplay test in the Poco F3 GT device. So this is my first time playing this Asphalt 9 in the Poco F3 GT, and during this time I'll try to use the trigger options as well, and I'll try to use the real-time floating FPS meter, so you can actually track how much is the FPS we are getting while doing the gameplay. So this is the exact Poco F3 GT which I'm using, as you can see friends clearly. So one more thing is a few of the users are actually telling that the Asphalt 9 game really feels lag while playing at the high performance settings. So let me try to show you exactly what kind of settings I'm trying to use during this time. So it's a display option. I did select the performance mode, as you can see. So performance mode is enabled. Let's see in my testing whether we can actually see any kind of lag or delay or any kind of issues. That is what I'm going to check in this video. Let's start the gameplay friends without wasting your time, and I'll tell you to a couple of minutes only the gameplay of this Asphalt 9 just to demonstrate whether is there any kind of problem. So let's start the game, and here are the trigger options which I did enable during this time of demonstration, as you can see friends. So there's a special lighting system available that's really cool to see, the trigger options, that's very good, I did like it. And here we go, the game starts and you can see the real-time floating FPS meter clearly, how much it's displaying. It's showing about 58 and 59, not bad. We're going to keep exactly on the car. .57 FPS I'm getting right now, as you can see, 57 and 58 FPS. So I'm trying to keep exactly on the car because the background is very dark and you will be able to see exact FPS how much I'm trying to get. I'm getting about 58 and 59, no problem, no issues. .60 FPS, as you can see friends. Wow, that's fantastic. 59 FPS I'm trying to get, 58, 61, no problem. 57, 58, 54. As you can see the real-time FPS meter. Let me try to play the game again. I just want to do a couple of gameplay tests on this phone, then we can come to the conclusion is there something wrong with the Asphalt 9 or not. Let's see. And overall my experience is really good using the triggers. That's fantastic. Not much big issues I would say at this moment. So this is just the I think day 4 of using this Poco F3 GT friends. So maybe after 1 month I will be able to come to the conclusion whether it's the durability about this one, it's kind of good or not. But overall whatever game I try, I'm trying to use the trigger options only most of the time, because this is my first phone which I did get the triggers. So that is the reason I'm really excited about this phone. 57 FPS I'm getting right now, as you can see clearly. .59 as you can see friends clearly. .60 FPS I'm getting. Not bad, 60 FPS I'm getting. 59 FPS, 61. So during this time of gameplay I did not see any kind of frame drops, huge frame drops. I did not see anything like that happening in this phone. So apart from 56 and 57, that is a normal all I'm trying to see during this time of testing. 56 and 58, that's it. As you can see friends during this time of gameplay. So let me know in the comment section below what are the problems you are actually facing with the Asphalt 9. So but in my unit I did not feel any kind of issues going on in this phone. So one more thing, let me try to explain. I forgot to say you another thing. Let me try to show you one quick thing. I'll try to start the game and then I'll try to show you what is happening. Yes, I forgot to mention this thing. Yes. So let's our game begin. So later I need to test plenty of other games friends using this kind of triggers, whether it's kind of useful or not. I'll try to do in-depth testing using the triggers, playing different games. Right now, if you want to set the triggers, let me try to go and try to select the triggers. As soon as you select the triggers, what happens is that the background game will not get passed. Let me try to show you what is happening. And the game will be, you will get this kind of sound. That's it. As you can see, it will get freeze when you're trying to set this kind of button. The game will not get passed. As you can see, don't worry about that problem. So it's nothing, not much issue. But when you click save, everything, the game is resumed, as you can see. But you will be keep on hearing the sound coming in the background. That's the one thing which I thought of just addressing. It's not an issue, but just a lot of addressing to you. So during this time of testing, I did not see much frame drops, friends. And in case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. So definitely that will be really helpful. And thank you for watching this video, friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, the FPS was maintaining really good. And for more information, check the playlist. For any other doubts, the playlist will clear all the doubts for you all. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, bye. And before that, let's check the temperature, how much it is. Temperature is 35 degrees during this time of gameplay for 5 minutes only. No problem. Stay tuned, friends. Bye.